How to download and install Sandhaven on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can download and install Sandhaven on your PC or laptop. So in order to begin with the procedure, first of all, go ahead and open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in Steam. So only through Steam you could go ahead and access the following games. So type in Steam. So while you're on this page, you have to go ahead and press on the install Steam button and install the application on your device. Now the installation process is very simple. Once again, go ahead and press on the install Steam button and the exe file is going to load up somewhere right on this page in the top right hand side corner. When you do that, you have to double press on it and locate the file location. And on the other page, you have to go ahead and just run the installation process and all that. When you've done that, you have to go ahead and create your account. And if you already have an account, then you could go ahead and log in, and then you could go to home page and go to stores. When you're on this page, you'll be able to see this sort of page. So on the search box, go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for. Since we are looking for Sandhaven, go ahead and type in that. And when you locate the game, then it's going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and press on it and then read all of these instructions and information that has been provided and click on add to cart. When you go to the cart section, then you can begin with the checkout procedure and just add your payment details and all that, and you'll have successfully downloaded and installed Sandhaven on your PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.